Tell me a bit about the transformation journey right now, because this has been in the headlines lately. Does Saudi Arabia have a clear roadmap to finance the remaining goals of Vision 2030?
Yes, our focus is on non-oil growth. This story is, as we said before, the global growth story, and underpinning it is that non-oil growth that's growing in momentum. We saw in 2022 the Kingdom was the fastest growing country in the G20. The forecasts say that in 2025 it will be the second fastest G20 economy. Our non-oil growth has been growing steady, 5.9% in 2022, 4.4% in 2023. The IMF forecasts 5 and 5.1 for this year and the year after, and we believe that that will help us continue our diversification story in accelerated format. Keep in mind, in 2023, it was for the first time, our non-oil activities amounted to 50% of total real GDP. Our anchor projects that are helping us in various of these sectors are unprecedented. The Kingdom set out to do unprecedented projects. Today has begun delivering these unprecedented projects and will deliver these unprecedented projects. They have clear financing programs and they have clear timetables, and will always prioritize what's best for these projects, for the sectors that they will drive activity in, for the partners that are increasing in terms of their interest, and also for the Saudi economy.
Why are we seeing mega flagship projects like the line being scaled back?
All projects are moving full steam ahead. We set out to do something unprecedented, and we're doing something unprecedented, and we will deliver something that's unprecedented. We see feedback from the market, we see more interest from the investors, and we'll always prioritize to where we can optimize for optimal economic impact. Today the economy in the Kingdom is growing fast, but we don't want to overheat it. We don't want to deliver these projects at the cost of importing too much against our own interest. We will continue delivering these projects in a manner that meets these priorities, delivers these projects, and has the optimal healthy impact for our economy and the healthy non-oil growth within it.
I guess the message to foreign investors, though, is a little bit unclear here. Public money is absolutely critical in the diversification story, but so is private money. So what message does it send to the private money community when you say a project's going to be this big, but it turns out being this big?
Projects are, for NEOM, the intended scale is continuing as planned. There is no change in scale. It is a long-term project that's modular in design. The rest of the mega projects are there to be delivered for specific impact in specific sectors. And keep in mind that these sectors didn't exist in the past. They're being built from scratch. They require some investment and going all in from the government and the Sovereign Wealth Fund. And we're seeing increased investor interest on all of these projects. These projects will be delivered to their scale and in a manner that, in terms of priorities, suits the needs of the projects, the returns of these projects, and the economic impact that's desired, minimizing any leakage, minimizing any overheating risks as well.